The final monthly task that you will have as your club treasurer is to report at your club meeting. You want to give a brief report that will show your club two things. First is the financial status of your club, and second is the current status of each member's ownership. You can use the first three reports you'll find on the Accounting Reports page to do this. They are the Valuation Report, the Member Status Report, and the Transaction History Report. The purpose of the Valuation Report is to show the current value of all your club assets. It will also show you the amount of cash you have available to use for investing or to pay club expenses. It might be a good idea for you to also show your members on a regular basis that the number of shares of each stock shown on this report agrees with your brokerage statement. You can do this at the meeting or make sure they have access to the brokerage statements to check for themselves. I encourage you to stay away from spending too much time looking at the unrealized gains and losses column. The valuation report is not really very helpful to use as input for making your investing decisions. The amount of gain or loss you've had in an investment does not really tell you whether or not you should continue to hold it. The second report you should show each month is the Member Status Report. It shows several things, including the payments you've recorded for the previous month. This shows your members that you're keeping track of their contribution amounts correctly. The report also shows the market value of each club member's share of the club. This is what their account is currently worth. Showing this report protects both you and your club members. If something is incorrect, their club account is not being tracked correctly and income and expenses are not being allocated to them correctly. Showing them this report means you can find and fix any issues before they affect things which are difficult to correct, such as payment of incorrect amounts for withdrawals or filing incorrect taxes. Finally, show everyone the Transaction History Report. This shows the transactions you've recorded so they can see the latest activity in your account. You'll see things like how much interest you received this month, any stock purchases or sales that were entered, and any dividends you've received. So that's your monthly Treasurer's Report, a Valuation Report, a Member Status Report, and a Transaction History Report.